This is the training that will show how you can manage the Kehoe website. Let's start showing you the pages section. This is the pages section. You need to understand that since this is a very complex template, some of the features like the navigation, like the menus, are not dynamic, so we had to add this manually. So you will have to edit each one of the pages, but if you want to add a new page, like add a new page here to this menu, to these menus, you will have to contact us again. Okay, for now it has all the features and pages and functions that were instructed on the Word document that was sent to us. Again, if you are on the About Us page, you will see that here we have 3 sections. So you will find here in the pages that you can edit each one of these sections. Okay, this is the About Us, Our Goal, Our Staff. Here I added this page twice since I didn't have the Scott Martin image. So all you have to do is go here, search for the page. By the way, this server is so slow. And here, all you have to do is replace this image. Make sure it always has the same size, okay? It always needs to have the same size. Okay, so this is how you edit this page. Now, we created the Pteroquatics section, as you can see. Here, this is one section, this is another section, and this is another section on the pages, on the dashboard. Okay, so this is an easy task. Now let's go inside a page. So I'm going to show you how you can change this feature image. Each has a feature image. Since you only sent me 2 images, I wasn't able to add more. Let me show you. This is on landscape construction. We have another one. Here we have another one. You see? So on the design process, I added 2 because the image for phase 3 wasn't sent to me. So what I did is that I added the phase 2 image on phase 2 and phase 3. So now let me show you how you do it. If you want to feature an image, all you have to do is go on media, you go on library. Okay, so in this case I named each one of these posts, each one of these images. It is the same image, but I named it with the page name. So all you have to do here is go on edit. Okay, and here in this area you need to add something that says sidebar. On the description you have to add the sidebar word, and you update. Okay, so if you add a new image, and also you need to make sure that it has this size, 247 per 353. This is what we have set as as the default size for the feature image. Okay, in this case, as you can see, this is only one image, but we just we created this nice image like this. Okay, so when you go on the library, and let's say that the post here it says, let me show you how it is. For example, this image has not been attached, so if you attach it, it will show immediately on that page. You see, this is how you do it. All you have to do is select the page where you want to attach it, and immediately it will become the feature image on this area. Okay, so it's another easy explanation, and this is how you manage all these sections. Now, going on the portfolio page, as you can see, we have already added all the pages, all the portfolio sections that were instructed on the Word document: pools, water arts, landscape, etc. So, since I didn't have more images, I only added images on the portfolio page. So I'm going to show you how you can change the feature image on the portfolio section, okay, and how you add images inside the portfolio. So I'm going to do it on pools. So the portfolio is not located on the pages section, but it is located on the posts section, right? So I'm going to pools, I click on edit. Okay, if you can see, this is the feature image on pools. If I remove this image, and then you can see that the pools image has disappeared. Okay, so now I'm going to set the feature image again. It's very easy. I'm going to select, you make sure you select the images with this size, 230 per 201. If you add another size, it's not a problem. It will always display that size. So you need to make sure you create an image with this size. So I click on set feature image, I update the page, I wait for the slow server to update the image, to update the page. I refresh. And as you can see, the image is featured again. So that way you know how to feature images on the portfolio. So now I'm going to get into pools, the pools category. Okay, so this is the pools category. As you can see, there are only 4 images. So you need to make sure that on each portfolio section you add only 4 images. If you add more than 4 images, the page will crash. More images cannot be added because this is a very complex template. It is a jQuery based template, so the jQuery slider is not possible to add it here. Okay, so if you can see, this is a very nice gallery, and it shows the images that you want to show. Okay, so another thing that you have that it's very important and you have to consider is that all these images need to have the same size in order to make sure that this is uniform. If you add an image with a size and another one with another size, what will happen is that this thumbnail will look like this. Maybe this will come to here, and this will come here, and this will come here. You understand? So make sure that all the pages that you are adding on the on this portfolio have the same size. Now I'm going to explain you how you do it. So once you are So we come to the administration panel. We come on media. I'm going to add an image on the on a portfolio category. Okay, so this is easy. In this case, since these are the images that I added on the portfolio, but I will have to add them again because I need to attach them to the other portfolio category. Okay, so I'm going to add the new images. Let's add, I'm going to add 3. Let's add 4. I'm going to add these 4 images. You will see it's an easy task. Okay. I'm sorry, I just need to do it again. Need to drop the files here. Okay. Okay, so the images have been added. I'm going to edit each one of these, right? So all you have to do here is, here on the description, you add the word portfolio. Make sure it doesn't have capitals or anything, just portfolio. Okay, so I update this. You see how nice. Update the page. Sorry, the image. Update the image. And then once the images have been updated, I come here, right? I click on attach, and in this case, I'm going to attach them to water arts. So I search for water arts. Right? And this is how you do it. Okay? Now, once we are done, we will check on the live website. Okay, now it is done. So we come here, we refresh the website.